Hello students, so we are back again with another chapter for your class 4 science, that is my teeth. Now every one of you have got teeth. Can you imagine yourself without teeth? What all the things can you do without teeth? Yes, you will not be able to speak, neither you will be able to eat. So teeth is very important for us. So teeth helps when we are eating the food. Our teeth helps to break the food. That is the first part of digestion takes place in the mouth. So the teeth breaks the food into simple substances or smaller pieces which can be swallowed, and it enters into the food pipe. And also, as a result, so it is always advisable that you should chew your food properly. So once you chew your food properly, the process of digestion will take place. Take place in a proper manner, in a better way. Next, teeth also help us to speak clearly. So when we are talking, if we are speaking clearly, that is due to your teeth. So when you are born, an infant is born without a teeth, but by the age of 3, it is like you will get almost 20 teeth. These are your first teeth, that is first set of teeth, and this first set of teeth are known as milk teeth. After few years, that is by the age of 9 to 13, what happens? This milk teeth begins to fall, and then it will be replaced by another set of teeth which is known as the permanent teeth. So types of teeth. Now if you observe your mouth properly, the jaw, you will see there are two jaws, the upper jaw and the lower jaw, and both the jaws consist of same types of teeth. Now when we see the teeth, they are divided into 4 types. So in an adult has a maximum number of 32 teeth. So an adult can have a maximum number of 32 teeth. And if you have noticed that all the teeth does not look similar to each other, they are quite different in shape. That is, we have 4 different types of teeth. Now first, talking about the incisors. The incisors are the first 4 teeth on each jaw. The first 4 teeth, the front teeth on each jaw, are known as the incisors. So the incisors are also known as the cutting teeth. So if you have noticed, when you bite an apple, with what do we bite? We use our incisors to bite the apple. So it is known as cutting teeth. So they are flat and have a sharp edge. The edge is sharp and they are flat. And incisors are used to bite or cut food into small pieces. Then the next type of teeth we have is canine. Next to incisors, there on the both sides of each jaw, you will find the canine teeth. Like the canine teeth are sharp and pointed, and these are used canines are used to tear food. So canine teeth are also known as tearing teeth. After the canine teeth, we have the premolars. Now premolars are the broad and flat teeth, and they grind the food and break it into fine pieces. There are 2 premolars next to each canine. So after the canine, there are 2 premolars on each side and on each jaw. So there will be 2 on the left and right, that is on the upper jaw there will be 4 premolars, and on the lower jaw again 4 premolars. So premolars are also known as cracking teeth. Then the next type, the 4th type of teeth that we have is the molars. So next to the premolar, are the last 3 teeth on both the sides. That is the end, at the end of your jaw, the last 3 teeth on both the sides. That is 3 and 3, 6, and on top also 3 and 3, 6. So these are known as the molars. Now the molars are broader than the premolars, and they too are flat and are used to crush and grind the food into fine paste. So these molars are also known as grinding teeth. So a person who has 28 teeth, you will find that all adult does not have 32 teeth. A person who is having a total of 28 teeth, you will find that there are only 4 molars on each jaw. So each jaw, so actually there should be how many molars? 6 on each jaw. Each jaw, on the upper jaw 6 and on the lower jaw 6. But a person having 28 teeth will have 4 molars on each jaw. That is 4 molars on the upper jaw and 4 molars on the lower jaw. So I hope this much is clear to you, that is the types of teeth. So with this we will conclude the chapter here. Next class we will be discussing about the structure of a tooth and how the teeth gets decayed. So these are your questions for today. Thank you.